Hello friends, welcome to Auto Robo Innovations. Today in this video we are going to discuss about OR logic gate. So let's start. OR gate. If one or more inputs attain state 1, the output of an OR gate attains state 1. As you can see the table in which we have taken two inputs A and B and the output is Y. So when both inputs are 0, that is when both inputs are false, then the output Y is also false. And then when one of the input is true, that is if A is 0 and B is 1, or if A is 1 and B is false, in these cases the output is 1. And if both the inputs are true, that is, if A and B are both 1, then the output Y will be 1. So, the output of an OR gate will be true if and only if only one input is true. At least one input should be true. Then only the output of an OR gate will be true. So let's move to EcoStructure Machine Expert where we will draw a ladder diagram and implement OR logic gate. I will open EcoStructure Machine Expert Basic. I will keep read protection as inactive and write protection as inactive and then click on apply. And then I will go to Programming tab. So here we will draw the ladder diagram. I can also click in this option for a full screen mode and then zoom into it like this. So firstly, I will insert a normally open contact and then I will insert a coil. So I need to implement OR gate. So I will insert one more contact here and I will connect them in parallel. So I will click on in this option and then draw a line like this. So this is an OR gate with two inputs. And then I will assign address to this contact as I 0.0. I will also add symbol to it as A. And then I will assign address to this normally open contact as I 0.1. I will also add symbol to it as B. Yes. And then I will assign address to the coil as Q 0.0. I will also add symbol to it as Y. Yes. So here we have taken two inputs A and B. So when any one of the input is true, that is if A is on and B is off, then Y will be on. Or if A is off and B is on, then also the output Y will be on. Or in case if both the inputs A as well as B is on, then also the output will be on. And if both the inputs are false, off, then the output will also be false. So I will exit full screen mode and then I will go to commissioning and launch simulator. And then I will start controller. To do so, click OK. Then I will go back to Programming tab and click on full screen mode. So here, as you can see, both the inputs are in false state. So is the output. The output is also in false state. And then when I turn on A and B is false, the output Y is also on. And then if I turn on B only and A is off, then also the output Y is on. And then when I input both the inputs, when I turn on both the inputs, A as well as B, then the output is also true. So for output Y to be on, at least one input should be on. So I will go to commissioning and stop simulator. And then I will go back to the programming and click on full screen mode. So here I can add one more input here and I will connect it in parallel. So I will click on this option and then draw a line like this. And then I can also connect one more input, and then I will connect it by drawing a line like this. So this is an OR gate with 4 inputs. So I will assign address to it as I 0.2 and symbol as C. And then address to this contact as I 0.3 and symbol as D. So here, for output Y to be on, either A should be on, or B should be on, or C should be on, or D should be on. So at least one input should be on. If two inputs are on, then also the output Y will be on. So at least one should be on. So I will exit full screen mode, and then I will go to commissioning and launch simulator. And then I will start controller. To do so, click OK. So I will go back to the programming tab and click on full screen mode. So when I turn on A, the output Y will be on, and then when I turn on B only, the output Y will be on, and then when I turn on C only, the output Y will be on, and then when I turn on D only, the output Y will be on. And if I turn on C and D, the output Y will be on. And then if I turn on all the inputs A, B, C, and D, then the output will remain on. So for output Y to be on in an OR gate, at least one input should be on. Then only the output Y will be on. It was all about OR logic gate. Thank you for watching.